Okay kids, this is our game, a guess game. I will read to you the clues carefully. You guess the farm animal and try your best to win the game. Okay? Ready? It's a big farm animal. It likes to eat grass. It provides milk and it makes the sound moo. What is it? Very good. It is a cow. Very good. Next, it has feathers. It can lay eggs. Its baby is called a chick. And it makes the sound cluck cluck. What is it? Correct. It is a hen. Good job. How about this one? It likes to eat grass. It provides wool. Its baby is called a lamb. And it makes the sound ba ba. What is it? Yes, you got it right. It is a sheep. Very good. Okay, this one. It has feathers too. It has webbed feet. Its baby is called a duckling. And it makes the sound quack 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 quack. What is it? Yes, it is a duck. Very good. Okay kids, that's all for today. Till next time. Bye-bye.